Салам алейкум. Вот она, как надо подниматься.
Trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to, oh, why can't well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I...
Не, красота вокруг здесь вообще. Мне нравится.
To myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. And the dreams that you dare to, why, oh, why can't
And I'm coming home, London in the rain, driving real slow in the fast lane, feeling kinda stressed, trying to get drunk. Problem with the rich kids is that they're no fun. Right now I'm flying, so calm and take a shot at me. Not scared of dying. It's sad how sad this life can be. Driving through the clouds, house, picking all the bad ones out the crowd. Had a bad month, had a bad year, had a bad time getting over my fears. Right now I'm flying, so come and take a shot at me. Not scared of